Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my office. My name is Marek. In this episode, I'm gonna create incredible, amazing, fantastic, super tasty American classic, ultimate, epic Sloppy Joes. But first, as usual, I would like to present collection of all components that we need to create this extremely delicious stuff. Amigos, extremely delicious Sloppy Joe is not going to land on the table, it will land directly in my mouth. Dragon is really hungry today. Bon appetit. Bon appetit very much. This is a little bit messy stuff, but so delicious. Folks, I have to report mission accomplished.